Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. We talk a lot about IoT, but today we're actually diving into its evolution. From quirky inventions to the tech that powers our daily lives, we've got a lot to cover. But first, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe. Now let's travel back in time. Picture this. It's the 1970s and 1980s. Computers are huge and the internet is just a baby. This era set the stage for IoT, with visionaries dreaming of smart, interconnected devices. The first IoT device? A Coke vending machine at Carnegie Mellon in the 1980s. Students connected it to the internet for a live update on their Fizzy Fix. Simple, yet groundbreaking for its time. Fast forward to RFID technology. These tiny chips could talk to scanners without any contact. They revolutionized everything from retail management to tracking library books. It was like giving everyday objects a digital voice. Then the 2000s hit us with a tech tsunami, smartphones and wireless internet. Suddenly IoT wasn't just for techies, it was becoming a part of everyone's life. These devices started the conversation in a language we could all understand. The smart home wave was next. Thermostats learning your temperature preferences, fridges that could shop for you, and lights that knew when you were home. It was like living in a sci-fi movie, but it was real. But IoT's impact goes beyond our homes. In industries, it's all about smart manufacturing with sensors and robots, logistics with real-time tracking, and healthcare monitoring that saves lives. IoT became the invisible hero in these sectors. Now let's talk about cities. Imagine smart traffic lights reducing jams, pollution sensors making air cleaner, and public services that anticipate our needs. That's not the future. It's happening right now. Speaking of the future, that's even more exciting. IoT is marrying AI and 5G, creating networks that think and learn. We're looking at smart grids managing our energy, cars that drive themselves, and devices that know us better than we know ourselves. From a humble Coke machine to a world where everything is connected, the IoT journey is nothing short of miraculous. It's about innovation, but it's also about making our lives easier, safer, and more fun. All right, time to hear from you. What's the most mind-blowing IoT device you've encountered? What futuristic IoT tech are you excited about? Let us know in the comments and make sure to subscribe for more IoT videos.